हेलो वेलकम टू माय चैनल माय डियर फ्रेंड्स माय नेम इज अभिलाष and मैं आपका ट्रेडर नेक्स्ट डोर so in this video I will reveal the second surprise and the second surprise is the pro trader program. Yes, I have the pro trader program is live for the last couple of months, but I have made some changes to it. Okay, so there will be two pro trader program. So the first one is pro trader career. Those who want to build up a career in trading, those who want to take up trading as a full-time profession or a serious source of income, okay, for them the pro trader career program is there with some changes. Okay, everything is mentioned on the website. I do not want to bore you by repeating the same stuff, but there are certain people, those who do not want to take full-time trading as a profession. These are simply looking for signals. For them I have launched the pro trader light version, okay, for just 100 rupees, only $2. This is the most cheapest signal service in the world, I guess. Okay, you can see that it's only $2 per month, 100 for Indian clients. 5 signals every week, 5 solid signals. Yes, 5 solid signals, okay, with proper TP, SL and all. Okay, in fact more than that. Okay, but yes, at least you'll receive 5 signals every week. Plus, you'll also receive few additional stuff also. I will not reveal. Okay, with time, as the time will come, okay, you will unfold many things on the Pro Trader Lite program as well. So please do join. I am very much sure that you will be extremely happy with the Pro Trader Lite, because I don't think that you will get anything below this price in the whole world. So please do join and let's make some money. Pro Trader program live light will be live from Tuesday.